Okay, we're going to pull the emergency stop out, turn the machine on, and start. Now I'm going to go to the manual mode. Go to manual, and I want to go to my RAM screen. I'm going to jog my RAM in reverse. I'm going to take it back towards the end of the machine until I'm close to the over travel micro switch, which is that arm back there. Now I'm going to run my screws. I'm going to jog them back close to the end. I'm doing this manually because the speed is faster in manual. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my manual screen. I'm going to go to Coil Setup. Okay, I want model number. This is your coil. You can select any coil you want. This particular coil I'm setting to is a 526607S1. When I hit the home button, now it will verify that it's going to be a 13.82 inch coil. One support arm is going to come down, and that's coil model number 6. Now I need to home the machine. Press the home button. Take your hand off. When it is done homing, the square will turn blue. Right now the servo is finding itself for the home position. That procedure is done. Notice that it says done now, set up for coil length. I'm going to move the stop box up forward. I want to remove these during the coil setup. And now I'm going to set up for the coil length. Every time you step in, your light curtains will bring up a fault. Reset that. Set up for coil length. Now the machine will automatically move the stop block up to the proper position. Now I'm going to set up for screw size. To do this, I want that to go all the way down, so I need to move my stop to the lowest position. Hold the button in until the block comes all the way down. Now my screws will come forward and they will preset themselves to the proper dimension. Notice again, your monitor will turn blue when that process is done. Now I need to put a coil that I'm going to run in place. To do that, I want to move my stop block back up in the right position for the coil height. In this particular case, it will be all the way up. Put this in the appropriate hole for the width of coil that you're going to be running. Place the coil in place. Make sure your tubes are all nested. Now I'm going to set my coil stick out. Hold the button down until we're clamped. And now I can jog my ram forward. Be careful of the end sheet. Get back over here. Make sure everything clears. I have both a slow and a fast jog. And now I am setting to where I have whatever stick out you want on your coil. When you get the proper stick out, I want to move my clamp stop over here. Forward. Okay. And lock your blocks. I'm done. Now I'm ready to go into auto cycle and make a coil. To go into auto cycle, I want to go back to the main screen, auto mode, go to run. Okay, now I'm ready to go into the cycle. I'm going to hold the auto jog ram forward. I'm going to hold that until the clamp comes down and the coil is clamped into place. And now this button is the jog button, so I can come forward to make sure I'm not going to interfere with anything. Now I will hit the auto cycle. And we'll make a coil. Coil, and now you can put another coil and go through the same process and make as many coils as you like.